In the last class, we studied the factorization of a quadratic polynomial, isn't it? Now we are going to study the factorization of a cubic polynomial. Okay, this is a cubic polynomial. This is the first question from exercise 2.4. The degree of this polynomial is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. How we can factorize this polynomial? For this, first we consider this polynomial as p of x. Let p of x equal to this polynomial, the given polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay. Then find the factors of this constant term. What is the constant term here? In this polynomial, the constant term is plus 2, isn't it? What are the factors of 2? We know that the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, isn't it? But minus 1 and minus 2 are also factors. Okay, how? Listen here, what are the factors of? We know that 10 equal to 5 into 2. Since 10 equal to 5 into 2, we can say that 5 and 2 are factors of 10. This can also be written as minus 5 into minus 2. Minus 5 into minus 2 is also 10. So, minus 5 and minus 2 are also factors of 10. So, the factors of 10 are plus or minus 5, plus or minus 2. Similarly, we can write the factors of 2 are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Since 2 can be written as 1 into 2. So, 1 and 2 are factors. 2 can also be written as minus 1 into minus 2. Therefore, minus 1 and minus 2 are also factors of 2. So, the factors of 2 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. Then, first we substitute the values of the factors of this constant term one by one in this polynomial until we get 0. Okay, that is, first we substitute plus 1 in px, that is find p of 1. If p of 1 equal to 0, then we can find the one factor. Okay, if p of 1 not equal to 0, then substitute the next value. Next value is minus 1 in p of x. If it is 0, we can find the factor, one factor. If it is not 0, then substitute the next value. Next value is plus 2. Okay, continue like this. Here we substitute plus 1. V of, if we substitute 1 in place of x, we get p of 1. P of 1 equal to 1 cube. Substitute 1 in place of x. 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. Substitute 1 in place of x. Okay. 1 cube is 1 minus 2 into 1 square 2 minus 1 plus 2. 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. Answer is 0. Okay. So we get 0. P of 1 equal to 0. According to factor theorem, what is defined factor theorem? If p of x is any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and a is a real number, then if p of 1 equal, p of a equal to 0, if p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. Isn't it? This is the factor theorem. If p of x is any polynomial, here p of x is any polynomial and a is any real number, we take a as 1 and p of a equal to 0, we get p of 1 equal to 0. Then one factor is x minus a. Therefore, we can say that since p of 1 equal to 0, one factor is x minus 1. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Okay. Then we have to find how many factors in this cubic polynomial. A cubic, since it is of degree 3, it has 3 factors, isn't it? 3 factors. So we have to find 2 more factors. For that, first we divide this polynomial by x minus 1. This is a cubic polynomial, this is a linear polynomial. When a cubic polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial, we get a quadratic polynomial. First we find that quadratic polynomial by dividing these two. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. X minus 1 is this factor. We already studied the division of a polynomial by another polynomial. How we can divide? I explained the step-by-step procedure for division. How we can divide this one? First we divide the first term of this dividend by the first term of this divisor. That is x cube by divisor, first term of divisor is x equal to x cube, x get cancelled, we get x square, isn't it? This x square is the first term of the quotient. Then multiply x square with x minus 1. X square into x is x cube. Write x cube below, just below the x cube term. Then x square into minus 1 minus x square. Then subtract. For subtraction, put minus symbol and then add. X cube minus x cube is 0. Here minus into minus plus. So minus 2x square plus 2x square is minus x square. Write these two terms. Okay. So this is a new dividend, isn't it? Then divide the first term of this new dividend by the first term of this divisor. That is, here the first term is minus x square. This one. And the first term of divisor is x. We get minus x. Minus x becomes the second term of the quotient, isn't it? Then multiply this minus x with x minus 1. Minus x into x is minus x square. Minus x into minus 1 is plus x. Then subtract. Minus into minus plus. Minus x square plus x square 0. Plus into minus minus. Minus x minus 2x. Plus 2. Now this becomes the new dividend. So divide minus 2x by x. Minus 2x by x. X and x get cancelled, minus 2. So write minus 2 here. Then multiply minus 2 with x minus 1. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Then subtract. Minus, minus. Then add. Minus into minus plus. Minus 2x plus 2x is 0. Plus 2 into minus 2, 0. The remainder is 0. So these two are the factors. Isn't it? X minus 1 and x square minus x minus 2. Therefore we can write as x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to, that is, if we divide 10 divided by 5, we get the quotient 2 and remainder 0. So 10 can be written as 10 equal to 5 into 2. So 5 and 2 are factors. Similarly, this polynomial equal to x minus 1 into this quadratic polynomial equal to x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. This is a linear polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. So we have to factorize this quadratic polynomial again. Okay. We studied to factorize this polynomial. How we can factorize this polynomial? X square minus x minus 2. How we can factorize this polynomial? For this, we find two numbers so that the sum is minus 1 and product is 1 into minus 2 minus 2. We have to find two numbers L and M such that L plus sum of those numbers is the coefficient of x. Here it is minus 1 and product is coefficient of x square into constant term. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, constant term is minus 2. 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. What are the two numbers? What are the two numbers whose product is minus 2 and sum is minus 1? The numbers are minus 2 and plus 1. Look here. What is minus 2 into plus 1? Minus 2. Product of these numbers is minus 2. The sum of these two numbers is minus 1. So, the numbers are minus 2 and plus 1. So, split this equal to x square. Split the middle term minus x as minus 2x plus 1. Minus 2 and plus 1 are the two numbers. So, minus x equal to minus 2x plus 1x. 1x is simply x. This minus 2. Then group these two and these two. The common factor here is x into x minus 2 plus here the common factor is 1, that is x minus 2. Here also the common factor x minus 2 into, if we take x minus 2 from here, the remaining factor is x, here the plus sign, here it is 1. So, x minus 2 into x plus 1 are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. So, we can write this as x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2 can be written as x minus 2 into x plus 1. These are the factors of this cubic polynomial. Okay. Once again, listen carefully. How we can factorize a cubic polynomial? For that, consider the given polynomial as p of x. Then, find the factors of the constant term. Here the constant term is plus 2. The factors are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Then, substitute these values one by one in this polynomial until we get 0. Here, first we substitute the first number factor, that is plus 1 in x. Therefore, p of 1 equal to 1 cube. Substitute 1 in place of x, we get 1 cube minus 2 into x square, 1 square minus 1 plus 2. Okay. While simplifying, we get 0. P of 1 equal to 0. According to factor theorem, since p of 1 equal to 0, x minus 1 is a factor. This cubic polynomial has at least 3 factors, isn't it? 3 factors. Here we get 1 factor, 2 more factors are there. So, we divide in order to get the other factors, divide this polynomial by this factor. Since it is a cubic polynomial and it is a linear polynomial, while dividing we get a quadratic polynomial. Division, we get the two factors as x minus 1 into x square minus x minus 2. This is a quadratic polynomial, so we have to factorize this polynomial again. We already studied to factorize a quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. We get the factors of this polynomial as x minus 2 into x plus 1. So, the factors of this are x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. Okay, clear? But next question also, I will do the remaining questions you should do as homework. This is the next question. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. For that, first we assume this polynomial as p of x. Therefore, p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Then we have to find the factors of the constant term. Here the constant term is minus 5. What are the factors of minus 5? Plus or minus 1 plus or minus 5. Factors of minus 5 are plus or minus 1 plus or minus 5. Then substitute these factors one by one in p of x until we get 0. First substitute 1. First substitute 1, p of 1. P of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5 equal to 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5 equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 9 minus 11 minus 11 minus 5 minus 16 which is not equal to 0, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we substitute the next factor. The next factor is minus 1. So, P of minus 1. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 the whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5 equal to minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 9 into minus 1 plus 9 and minus 5. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 minus 9 plus 9 0. Here we get 0. While substituting minus 1 in P of x we get 0. So we can say that according to factor theorem, since P of minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 1 is a factor. Is a factor of P of x. Okay. So we have to find the next factor. For that we divide the given polynomial by x plus 1. The given polynomial is x cube minus 3x square divided by x plus 1. How we can divide this one? First divide x cube by x. X cube by x is x square. Write x square here. Then multiply x square with x plus 1. X square into x cube. X square into plus 1 plus x square. Then subtract. X cube minus x cube 0. Minus 3x square minus x square minus 4x square minus 9x minus 4x square minus 9x minus 5. Then divide this minus x square by x. Minus 4x square by x equal to minus 4x. Write minus 4x here. Then multiply minus 4x with x plus 1. We get minus 4x square minus 4x into plus 1 minus 4x. Then subtract. Minus put minus symbol, then add minus 4x square plus 4x square 0 minus 9x plus 4x minus 5x minus 5x minus 5, this minus 5. Then divide this minus 5x by x. Minus 5x by x equal to minus 5. Write minus 5 here. Then multiply minus 5 with x plus 1. Minus 5 into x minus 5x. Minus 5 into plus 1 minus 5. The remainder is 0. Okay. So we get the two factors of this cubic polynomial as x plus 1 into x square minus 4x minus 5. So this cubic polynomial can be written as the product of these two factors. Therefore, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 equal to x plus 1 into x square minus 4x minus 5. Okay. Since it is a quadratic polynomial, we have to factorize this polynomial again. That is x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to, how we can factorize? We have to find the two numbers whose sum is minus 4 and product is 1 into minus 5 minus 5. That is, we have to find two numbers L and M such that n plus m equal to minus 4 and Lm equal to 1 into minus 5 equal to minus 5. What are the two numbers? Minus 5 and plus 1. Okay, minus 5 into plus 1 is minus 5. The product is minus 5. Its sum, minus 5 and plus 1, sum of these two numbers is minus 4. So, the two numbers are minus 5 and plus 1. So, split this middle term as x square. Minus 4x is written as minus 5x plus 1x. Minus 5x plus x. Write this minus 5 here. Then group these two factors. We get x into common factor here is x. We get x minus 5. Here the common factor is 1, so we can write this as x minus 5. X minus 5 is again a common factor. We get x plus 1. If we take x minus 5 from here, the remaining factor is x. Put this plus symbol here. If we take x minus 1 from here, the remaining factor is 1. So, we can factorize this as x plus 1 into the factors of this polynomial is x minus 5 and x plus 1. Therefore, the three factors of this cubic polynomial is cubic polynomial are x plus 1, x minus 5 and x plus 1. Okay. The remaining question you should do as homework. Okay. So, wind up the class.